Hey everyone, it's me. So, decided to give them a second chance. Well, it was their first day yesterday, I think. So, look, it actually came with the tater tots this time, which is super weird. And it almost has meat on the whole bun. So, there it is. There's also a spicy version, which has jalapenos. This one is, I don't know what the tater tots are about. The spicy cheese, onion, steak on a foot-long hot dog bun. Definitely an interesting take. I really do like their steak though. Not as weird with the tater tot. It's like you're getting cheesy tots and a Philly steak and cheese. Or do they just call it a steak and cheese? Okay. Just Philly just steak and cheese. There's not really any, there's like a piece of meat left. I like the way their steak is flavored. Probably not even real steak, but it's really good. Like, really good. It has a very good flavor. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if they marinate it or if it just comes like this. Or maybe it's like the way they cook it. But it's very flavorful. The cheese sauce is different than their normal cheese sauce. I feel like it's a spicy cheese sauce. See how it's darker too? Maybe it's like the queso that they put on the breakfast burritos. I think that's cheese. Okay, I paid $4.65 with taxes. You know, I don't know. I'm cheap, so it seems a little pricey for me. But it is a pretty big sandwich when they make it right. The one I got yesterday, it didn't even have half this. Like, no joke. It had half the amount of meat. Maybe. It didn't have the onions. It didn't have the tater tots. I wish my phone would have been working right. So you could have seen how sad it was. I should be home right now. But I just dropped the phone charger off. So, but Larry's not home. I should be home. Huh. It says it's gonna end soon. Interesting. I don't know what my phone is doing again. So I guess I'm gonna try to figure out and maybe record more. Okay, so I'm back. I think I figured it out. Look, I didn't need any. I just gave some to the burbs. And I know that's probably bad, but they're sitting right outside watching me eat. Like, there's an army of burbs. There's one right here, like, staring me down. And by the way, I could never figure out the dash cam. Like, it only wanted to record so much, and then it turned itself off like 30 seconds at a time. And the one, we did some and there was like no sound whatsoever, and I'm like, okay. Start watching me. I feel like I'm in the movie. I'm surprised they haven't remade that movie. I mean, maybe they have. I don't know. They've remade so many movies. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Move this stuff away. See all the burbs? They're like, give us foods. Here, let's give them some food. Hey, burbs. Ah. See? I feel bad for that one. You guys want a tater tot? I don't know what to do with it. It's so big. Look at that one. He just took that whole tater tot. Anybody know what kind of birds these are? I'm not really from New Mexico, so I'm not sure. There's one hiding behind the wheel. There's a couple more back there. Oh, there's a pretty bird. Hey, pretty bird. Look at him. He is all pretty. Ah. All shiny and stuff. He's like, well, I heard there was food here. Where is it? Well, for now I'm going to leave this window open. You can hear the semis. There's a lot of those. Because like I said, it's also a truck stop. There's a few of them in town. That pretty bird is so pretty. Okay, sorry. And they're all staring at me like, just sit there, give us more food, human. But yeah. That is pretty good. Once you take the tater tots off. And the spicy one just has jalapenos, I believe. I just was not feeling that today. I'm like this weird mix of want to eat my feelings and my stomach's too upset to eat my feelings. So, I don't know, I'm probably gonna get sick after I eat this. I don't know. It's good though. It's just my stomach is in knots right now. I like know Josh is okay. I hate that I can't see him. You know? In Albuquerque, at least I could visit for a little bit. But I can't here. It is what it is. At least we can talk and text and, you know? Anyways, I give this like a 4 out of 5. It's good. The tater tots are weird. I mean, duh, it could use more meat. But, you know. Look at me. Of course I'd say that. Plus, I love steak. Which is such a contradictory thing, because I love cows, too. Okay. Anyways. Maybe one day I'll go back to being vegan or something, if Tucumcari ever moves into the 20th century. Yes, I did say that. So, I'm gonna go for now, and I'm gonna go home, and I guess all the other videos I was gonna make, I'll make at home, because I'm home alone! Oh, man. Or maybe I'll just chill and be home alone. I don't know yet. We'll see when we get there. Laters.